The Kamuzu Mausoleum stands as one of Malawi's most important national monuments, built to preserve memory, history, and identity. It is the final resting place of Dr. Hastings Kamuzu Banda, the founding father of the nation and a symbol of the country's journey from Nyasaland to modern-day Malawi. Construction of the mausoleum began in 2005 and was completed in 2006. It was officially opened on 14th May 2006. The project was designed not only as a burial site, but also as a national heritage landmark that would ensure future generations remember the role Dr. Banda played in shaping the country. The main purpose of the Kamuzu Mausoleum is to honor Dr. Banda's contribution to Malawi. It also serves as a reminder of his leadership during the struggle of independence and his vision of a unified nation. The mausoleum also carries deeper meaning. It reminds visitors of the principles that guided Dr. Banda's leadership. These values are represented in the design of the structure, making the building itself a symbol of political history and national identity. The structure has two main chambers. The lower chamber contains the actual burial site of Dr. Banda. His body lies beneath the ground with the original tombstone placed at the grave. This chamber is not open to the public and remains a protected and sacred place. Above it is the upper chamber, which is open to visitors. Here, there is a replica of the original tombstone placed directly above the burial site in the exact same position. This allows visitors to pay their respects while maintaining the privacy of the lower chamber. The architectural design of the mausoleum is also rich in symbolism. At each corner of the structure stands four main pillars. These represent the four core principles that Dr. Banda emphasized during his leadership: unity, loyalty, obedience, and discipline. These values were central to his vision of nation building. Between these corner pillars are 24 additional pillars. These represent the districts that existed during Dr. Banda's time, symbolizing national unity and administrative foundation of Malawi during its early years of independence. Inside the upper chamber, there are also four decorative pots marked with the symbol of a lion. These represent courage and strength. The lion reflects Dr. Banda's bravery during the struggle against colonial rule, symbolizing his determination in leading the fight for independence. Today, the Kamuzu Mausoleum is more than a memorial site. It is also an important tourist attraction, drawing visitors from across Malawi and beyond who come to learn about the country's history and the life of its founding leader. Most importantly, it serves as an educational site for the younger generation. It encourages young people to understand where Malawi came from, the struggles that shaped the nation, and the leadership that guided its early development. The Kamuzu Mausoleum, therefore, stands not only as a resting place for Dr. Hastings Kamuzu Banda, but also as a lasting symbol of Malawi's history, identity, and national pride.